starting from app.benkoboard.com, I'm going to sign in using my personal Gmail account. I'll then also log into Trello using the same Google account. And I'm just going to disconnect this so you can see the login process. So grab my API key and my token. I can optionally invite another user here if I wanted to the board. Save that. And my board has been created, so I can open it here. And so now this is my BenkoBoard. Normally there would be some introduction cards here the first time you sign up, but I know how it works, so I don't really need them. And if you refresh the page here, you'll see it's got this initialized message, so you click finish and then run. Oh, got to choose your time zone first. So is it 4:03 p.m. Sydney, and we will save configuration details there. I've set the inbox frequency to never, which means that it's not going to automatically import my primary tab. If you change that to 5 minutes, for example, every 5 minutes it will import your primary tab. If you leave this as never, then in the default setup, you can just drag this into Benko, and every 5 minutes it will import everything that's in that label into the inbox. So my email has been imported as a Trello card. The attachments that came in from the email are automatically linked here from Google Drive. You can go back to view the original email in Gmail from this link. Sometimes that's necessary because the formatting in plain text sometimes isn't very clear. Or you can view all attachments here in Google Drive, which is useful for kind of previewing attachments if you've got lots of different ones. Or you can click the link directly just to download the attachment straight away. If you want to reply to this person, you just do @reply. Hey there, thanks for getting in touch. And that will be sent out. You can see that it's going to go to ian@benkoworks.co. Once I'm used to all of this, once I know how BenkoBoard works, I can disable this help text with the @helpoff command. And my reply is going to go out from Gmail. So you'll be able to see it in my Gmail sent items. So you can see that that email that I sent from my Trello comment here has gone out via Gmail, so you can see it in sent items. If I had a signature configured, it would have used the signature. I don't on my personal email. And you can also create new emails. So new email to create, and that can either type the address out, or if you have someone in your Google contacts, then you can send out a new email and it will search based on a partial name match for that user. Here I've got a few options. I'm going to confirm option 4. So that's how the Google contact integration works. You can use that same contact integration for CC and BCC, and you can also send new attachments from within BenkoBoard. So So that's the Gmail component of this. And the benefit is that you can spread yourself out. So you can reprioritize your cards and your emails horizontally instead of having to do it all vertically. Additionally, if I go into another board and I add myself as a member to a card, you can see that it's going to automatically unwatch me. So this eye is going to disappear. So I'll only receive notifications about being added to a card, mentioned in a comment, and removed from a card. It's then going to create a linked copy of that card in my inbox. You can see this is a Benko linked card. I could give that label a color if I wanted to, so I can easily tell which are my emails or local to this board and which are my linked cards. And that means that that kind of creates a better cards view. So the default Trello cards view gives you an overview of all the cards that you're a member of anywhere in Trello, but you can't move them around. So this is like a cards view that you can reprioritize. And also, because it unwatched the card, I'll get far fewer notifications, and so the notifications become much more useful. In addition to creating a linked card when you're added, if someone mentions you in a comment, you also get a linked card in your board, which means that you can, rather than having to kind of go to the notifications here and mark them as unread or whatever, you can actually see any comments that you have here and move them around. So the format here is actually almost identical to the notifications. You see who said it, what they said, linked card, where it is, and you can click through to respond to it. The only difference is that I can drag that around and reprioritize it, so that comment kind of becomes a task if I want it to. And then of course I can just other ad hoc tasks. So everything that I might be responsible for truly is sitting in one place. And any other boards that I'm a member of, I can send emails from there too. So I can send email from anywhere in Trello using BenkoBoard.